चाय जैसा लग रहा है actually.
अब ये चाय हो गया है.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Lunch Break. Today we're trying 4 different flavors of cola: Pepsi, Cola, Coca-Cola.
We have Thumbs Up
Campa.
and something called as Campa Cola, which sounds like a very generic name. It's like,
Sounds like a coffee brand.
bro, no, how does it sound like a coffee? It sounds like a generic
Campa
name, like
coffee.
a person or like a book. Like it's not a name. Like every cola is Campa Cola. Like it's something like my dadi would say, like Campa Cola. Yeah, like I don't know if that's a thing, but they're making us try something called as Campa Cola. So we are going to taste test and see which one is which. Are we ready?
Yup.
Are you a cola drinker or not? No? Okay,
I don't think
okay.
so.
Who's going to lose? We all know who's going to win.
I do have taste buds still, bro.
But how are you going to guess which one's which if you haven't tasted enough cola in your life? The only
No,
cola
I
I'm
have to
doubtful
guess
about is
it.
the Campa.
I just
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
rate it, no?
No, you have to guess
Oh,
and
rate
rate.
and guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
So accept your defeat and let's start. Otherwise, they're going to lose their fizz and I am not drinking flat cola. Start.
Go for it.
I know what this is. I think so. Wow, you're taking it too seriously.
Okay.
But also, like, do all colas taste the same or is it just a marketing gimmick? I honestly will find out in today's episode, really.
That one is so diluted.
Bro, they all. What? I thought I knew which one's which.
She's very brand loyal, okay? I know pura brand
Like,
loyalty
I am a Diet Cola loyalist and I can't tell now.
Okay, this one's better.
Instantly, yeah. Like this one's more fizzy. This one is just
Flat.
there is something, yeah, not right about it. It tastes very flat. I think I know what this one is.
I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't even know how to differentiate Thumbs Up with Cola or Pepsi.
I think I need a few more tries.
I think this is Thumbs Up, Cola.
Oh yeah, forgot to mention, we are going to be rating them on basis of fizz. We're going to taste them on the basis of their aftertaste and the sweetness. Sweetness, all check, full of sugar, you can tell.
In my
In
head,
like in terms of
Thumbs Up
colas.
is the most flat drink. So this is Thumbs Up.
What? What? Bro, it is the most. Bro, what? I can't even explain to you
Thumbs
how.
Up to me.
Yeah, it's the fizziest cola. Bro, she's
I
clearly
thought
not a
Cola.
cola person. This is Campa because this is a taste that I haven't tasted before. Are you a Coca-Cola person or a Pepsi person or
Coke hands down.
Coke, right?
You
Same.
can.
Yeah. I think the only time I ever drink.
Between Diet Coke and regular Coke, it's all sugar.
Bro, no, Diet Coke is aspartame, so it's bad for you, but it's good for your taste buds and like your.
Please put as a goggle this dog.
If I mix it, should I?
No.
You mixed
One
it
last
all,
sip.
I can't.
You get just one last sip or फिर rate करना and then guess.
Okay.
Finish.
Start. This is Thumbs Up for sure.
ये चाय जैसा लग रहा है.
अब ये चाय हो गया है.
Nah. You have to taste this chai.
Bro, you're gonna confuse the hell out of me. This
ये क्या
is.
होएगा?
I think this is a good. Okay, we'll rate it now as we go. Okay, this is a 3. What and what is your guess?
Chai. I'll just go with Pepsi.
In my guess, this is Thumbs Up,
Okay,
and
Thumbs
this is a solid
Campa.
3 or 4. Okay.
This is Campa, I think.
This
chai.
is Campa. This might be Pepsi.
Actually, yeah, because it's
This
too
tastes,
diluted.
yeah. I think this is Pepsi, so I think I'm gonna
Now
give
that
this.
you say it,
Yeah.
I think it's Pepsi.
Yeah. So if this was a 4, then I think this
So
is a
that's
3.
Thumbs Up, this is
Yeah,
Pepsi.
and that's a 3.
So Cola and Campa, okay. Coca-Cola.
That's Coke. I can tell my girl. That's Coke, and that is a solid 5. If it's not Coke and it turns out to be Campa Cola and I gave it 5, then kill me after
Taste
this
this.
video.
And confirm that it's Campa.
Smell se I can tell this is Campa. I'm not even
Yeah,
drinking this.
girl.
Yeah, I think I am set on my rating. Thumbs Up, Pepsi, Coke, Campa.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I said thumbs up, right?
Nice, girl. Pepsi, let's go.
Bro, you bro.
Coke, let's go, girl.
Bro.
Cheers. Cheers,
Cheers, guys. A successful
That was so
episode,
easy.
another victory.
J Geo.
Okay.
Long live Geo.
Oh yeah, Gio bought it, no? It's the most delicious thing I've ever tasted.
I had only heard about Kappa to my seniors and my parents and stuff. Wow. The winner of
Yeah.
the day.
Campa Cola is, I think, I get why people would like it because it has a very like sweet, like it's sweeter than almost all the colas I've tasted. So I think I
There's
get
this whole,
why.
nostalgic vibe also. to it.
Yeah, I think
So I think
people
we get that.
not our age would definitely vibe with it because it's a familiar taste to them. But yeah, it's not bad. Like in my opinion, like honestly, if you like blindfold us, I would say they all taste,
They
the,
all
same,
taste the same.
except for maybe thumbs up.
So that was it for today's episode. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Tell us what you would want us to try next, rate next, and we will bring that for you guys for sure.
Cheers,
Yeah,
thumbs up.
okay, Pierce. I wanted to say cheers. I said Pierce.